Use the quadratic formula to solve this. This is a quadratic equation. It's an equation because of the equal sign, and it's quadratic because of the x squared term. Now, to use the quadratic formula, the first thing you want to do is make sure this is in standard form. Standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And a, b, and c are the coefficients of each term. So a in this case is 1. The b is negative 6, because minus 6 is the same thing as adding a negative 6. So b is negative 6. And the c matches up with 13. We need to know what a, b, and c are because the quadratic formula involves all those letters. Here's the quadratic formula. We have in the numerator, it's negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. And in the denominator, it is 2 times a. This will give me the x values that when I plug it into this equation, makes the equation true. All right, so you need to know what the a, b, and c are, and then you just need to plug it in here. So the b is negative 6, so this is going to be a negative of a negative 6. So you're going to need parentheses. That's a double negative, which is going to turn into plus 6. And then we have the square roots. B squared is going to be negative 6 squared. You need parentheses because you're squaring negative 6. That's going to be negative 6 times negative 6, which is going to be positive 36. And then we have minus 4 times the a value. The a value is 1. And times the c value, which is 13. And that's all in the square root symbol. The square root symbol is acting like a grouping symbol, so you need to do everything inside here first before applying the square root operation. And the bottom is 2 times a. A is 1, so the bottom is 2 times 1. Now it's just a matter of simplifying this. We got the double negative there on the 6, so that's going to be positive 6. We have negative 6 times negative 6 here. That's positive 36. And then you want to do the multiplications before any adding or subtracting. That's order of operations. So 4 times 1 times 13 is 52. So this is going to be a minus 52. And the bottom, 2 times 1 is 2. All right, simplifying this, we're going to subtract here, 36 minus 52. That is negative 16. And since we have a negative number inside a square root, we're going to apply the imaginary i. I is square root of negative 1. And square root of 16 is 4. So this is going to end up being 4i. So we got 6 plus or minus 4i over 2. And 6 and 4 are both divisible by 2. So you're going to do 6 divided by 2, which gives you 3. And 4 divided by 2, which gives you 2. So we end up with 2 complex numbers as solutions. 3 plus 2i is a solution, and 3 minus 2i is a solution. There you go.